How excited are you for the white coat ceremony today?
Very much bro. If you can't see it on my face, I am very excited.
Hi guys, this is Bharat Hingla, first year MBBS student at CMC Ludhiana, and welcome back to yet another video. In this video, I'll be taking you through the white coat ceremony at CMC Ludhiana. But what do you think is the significance of a white coat for a doctor or a medical professional? Let's go find out, shall we? Sir, how are you?
Good bro, how are you?
So we have a question for you today.
Yeah, sure.
Why do you think doctors wear white coats?
A doctor's role is to care for people
Mm-hmm.
and to look out for the community and their health needs. And the white coat symbolizes the need for health.
And why white?
White is the color of peace.
And you think doctors are peaceful?
Doctors are supposed to be peaceful.
तो अभी क्या लगता है तेरे को व्हाइट कोट पहनने की क्या सिग्निफिकेंस है?
यार देखो सीधी सी बात है, काला कोट होता है ना, वो शादी में इस्तेमाल होता है। बाकी रे ब्राउन कोट में बंदा लगता है भाई मैनेजर। एंड बचा व्हाइट कोट में बंदा थोड़ा सा अलग सा लगता है भाई व्हाइट कोट।
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर, क्या बात, ये बात है।
तो डॉक्टर्स के लिए कोई और कलर नहीं बचा था, इसलिए उन्होंने व्हाइट कोट रख दिया।
ऑब्वियसली यार,
मतलब डॉक्टर्स की कोई इज्जत ही नहीं है।
वैसे देखा जाए इतनी है तो लेकिन क्या ही कहा जाए।
ईशान, what do you think? Why do doctors wear white coats?
Because that symbolizes
How?
purity, that symbolizes what do you say?
You don't have to search another web, okay?
Something web, chill out. It symbolizes purity, it symbolizes, I don't know, purity and all that.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
It's going on YouTube.
Don't!
डेडपूल की यूनिफॉर्म लाल क्यों है? ताकि खून निकले तो पता न चले, उसको बार बार धोनी ना पड़े।
एक सही आंसर दे दे।
सही तो बताया। तुम लोग नहीं जानते।
अच्छा, डेडपूल।
एल्गोरिदम यही है।
वही बंद कर से।
Why do you think doctors wear white coats?
I think because there's a lot of body fluids and blood and things involved. Some people work in laboratories, you're in clinical settings. So if there is any sort of spillage, so that you can tell, okay,
Yeah, but why white?
contrast. Your blood is red. And you have all sorts of fluids that you have to deal with on a regular basis. So obviously, white, you see more contrast. You can see if it's dirty or not.
Correct. That makes sense. But let's get into some more detail about this. So different sources have got to say a lot different about this topic. But let's see what are the most common reasons among these. According to this, white is a symbol of purity and the white coat symbolizes the purity of the purpose being affirmed. I checked a few more resources and from there I could gather some more info. Let's summarize all this. So the main reasons why white coat is worn, the first one being for easy recognition. The white coat symbolizes professionalism and it helps to identify the doctor from other co-workers in a healthcare system. The other reason being to keep clothes clean. The white coat provides a barrier to the infections that we as doctors are surrounded by all the time. There are a few other reasons as well. But now, why white? White because it makes it easy to identify stains and thus it prevents the spread of infections. Because if it's white, it makes it easy to identify stains and then it could be changed or cleaned. Also because white is a symbol of purity, cleanliness and sterility. Now that we have got our answer, let's get back to the vlog. Good morning. Let me get my glasses. Hi Shan, good morning. Just got freshened up. Gonna go and do something right now. I'm already late. I also have to take a bath. नोटबुक लेके जा रहा था तो हाँ रख लिया बैग, इतना भारी तो है। Thank you for waiting, guys. Ujjwal, how are you feeling for the white coat ceremony today?
I slept like 2 hours bro.
Okay.
And I'm very excited for being here. I want to thank my parents.
Okay.
I want to thank my sister
Okay.
and my barber who fucked up my hair.
How excited are you for the white coat ceremony today?
Very much bro. If you can't see it on my face, I am very excited.
अच्छा तू रिकॉर्ड करें।
You are going to don the white coats. It's not only the symbol of pride and prestige, but also the real symbol of responsibility. And hold it in your hand. Each and every one of MBBS 2022, right? Just think about the responsibility you are going to take. Sanctify these codes to be symbol of purity and honesty, justice and dedication, compassion and healing in their lives. And let all these students be your healers in this broken world. In your holy name, we commission them to serve you and this world now and forevermore. I request every one of you to please put on your right clothes. That I will lead my life
That I will lead my life
and practice my art
and practice my art
in uprightness and honor,
in uprightness and honor,
upholding the dignity of my profession
upholding the dignity of my profession
and institution, Christian Medical College, Ludhiana.
and institution Christian Medical College, Ludhiana.
Thank you. Can we give them a big clap? Each and every one. And there will be a photo session from here also and one on the stage, Assembly Hall stage. So let's all stand. We'll sing together. God be with you till we meet again.
ठीक है ब्रो, अब हो गया।
It's made for me bro.
Look at the excitement. No, not on camera, bro. Not on camera. Congratulations. Congratulations, Bagai sir.
अभी भी vlog बना रहा है?
Yes, bro. Yeah.
Taking a vlog over.
Wait, do you remember something from here? No? Let's go back to this video then.
बाकी नाम याद करना बहुत मुश्किल है यार। किसी को जोएन, किसी को जोएना है। ये सरनेम अलग अलग है, नाम सेम है। शिरेन, शिरले, पता नहीं क्या था।
तो काउंटर अटैक हो रहा है अब फिर।
Mukija, it's written here.
क्या चल रहा है वैसे ये?
हम फिल्टर लगा के ले रहे हैं तो उसका क्या फायदा?
ये भालू को लग रहा है हर्ष मेरे को। Let's go.
तेरा बैग भी वही है ना?
हाँ। बैग नो। Actual first class of MBBS curriculum after the foundation course. It was of physiology. We just taught the basics, and sir just gave an introduction of the subject and what would we be learning about. How did you find the class, Adit?
खाना भी नहीं खा सकते, पहले रूम में जाना।
Let's see.
स्टोरी बोर्ड करेंगे, ऐसे कोई लगा जिसमें गैंगस्टर गाने लगा।
Let's go to the class.
Okay, hi guys, welcome back. You're doing vlogging?
Yeah. See the excitement for the people for buying books. Are they even gonna read?
Very humble guy. I prefer Vishram Singh and the books recommended in the list. I never go for books that are.
How's the anatomy department?
It's very, very good.
Okay.
Very good. We learn a lot. There's great scope for becoming a great doctor.
Oh, photo session.
दम घोट रही है एक दूसरे का।
Finally, the day ended with a Pani Puri break. Hope you liked this video. If you enjoyed it, do share it with your friends and don't forget to leave a short comment down below. For more content like this, consider subscribing to my channel. This is Bharat Dhingra signing off. Until next time.
तो भी फेमस होना है।
Please like, share, subscribe. भारत दिख रहा। दोनों हाथ पकड़ ले, दोनों हाथ मेरे घर पे पड़ा।
कैसे भेजेगा? कैसे भेजेगा?